Good morning, children. Today, we are going to learn about what time is it. It is taken from your textbook, page 70. 同学们早上好，今天我们要学的是 What time is it? 请问现在是什么时间？那今天的课文呢，是出自于你的课本第70页。Before we start our lesson, let's do some revision. 那在正式上课之前呢，我们先来做一些的复习。Look at this clock. Can you tell me what time is it? Alright, if you look at the clock, this is the shorter hand and this is the longer hand. 同学们，那我们再看时钟呢，时针是比较短的，分针是比较长的。So the longer hand, when it is pointing to 12, you know that it is o'clock. So this is 3 o'clock. 那同学们，这是3点钟，因为分针就是比较长的这一支针是指着12的，所以3点钟我们说3 o'clock. Can you read after me now? 请跟着老师念 It's 3 o'clock. When you write in English, 3 you write as T-H-R-E-E. 那当我们要写成英语的时候呢，3我们需要写成英语的 3. It's 3 o'clock. 3点钟。What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Now, look at this clock. Can you tell me what time is it? The longer hand is pointing to 12. The shorter hand is pointing to 11. 那我们都知道这是11点。So, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. Can you read after me? 请跟着老师念 It's 11 o'clock. 记得几点钟是 o'clock 点钟 o'clock 11点 11 o'clock. Alright, let's look at this. This is a digital clock. 那这是一个电子表，我们都知道这是2点钟。Can you tell me what time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Can you read after me? It's 2 o'clock. Very good. Let's look at the next one. Can you tell me what time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Can you read after me? 同学们，请跟着老师念 It's 9 o'clock. Alright, this is something that you have learned before. 那点钟 o'clock 是我们之前上过的。What else have you learned before this? 那之前我们还学过什么呢？ Look at this clock. Now, the shorter hand is pointing to 1 and the longer hand is pointing to 6. 那分针指着6，代表这是几点钟呢？我们知道这是1点半或者是1点30分。Alright, what time is it? You will say it's 1:30. 1点半1点30分。Sometimes we say it is 1:30. But when you write in English, you write as it's 1:30. Can you read after me? 请跟着老师念。It's 1:30. Half past means the longer hand is pointing to 6. 30 minutes past. 要是分针指着6，就是过了30分钟，半个小时，我们用 half past。1点半，1点30分 ，so 我们说 1:30. It's 1:30 means the clock, the longer hand here has moved half past the clock surface. Alright, let's look at the other clock. This is a cute clock. Can you tell me what time is it? It's 2:30. 这是2点半，所以 it's 2:30. Can you read after me? 同学们，请跟着老师念。It's 2:30. Very good. Now let's look at some digital clock. You know that this is 4:30. 同学们，你们知道这是4点30分。那英语该怎么说呢？ How would you say this in English? You say it as it's 4:30. Can you read after me? It's 4:30. Very good. What about this? Can you tell me what time is it? It's 7:30. Can we read together? It's 7:30. Alright, so what's new today? What are we going to learn today? Look at this clock. Now, the longer hand here is pointing to 3 to 15 minutes, and the longer hand here is pointing to 9 or 45 minutes. 那同学们，我们看这里，今天我们要学的新的呢，就是这2个钟了。第一个时钟，长的针，分针是指着3或者是15分。那第二个时钟呢，它的分针是指着9或者是45分。When it is pointing to 3, we say it is a quarter past. 那一刻 a quarter 就是一刻15分钟的意思。当分针指着3的时候，我们说 a quarter past. 那这里指着3，那么时针是指着11，11点15分。We say it is a quarter past 11. 记得，如果是一刻指着3的时候呢，是 a quarter past. Past 过了几点呢？从什么时间开始过了15分钟？11点。So it is a quarter past 11. Next, a quarter to 就是还有一刻，还有15分钟就要到几点了。Alright, you look at the longer needle here, the longer hand is pointing to 9, and the shorter hand, it is almost 5. 同学们，要是看这个时钟是4点45分，就是说还有一刻钟，或者是还有15分钟就快要到5点了。So, 我们说 it's a quarter to 5. It's a quarter to 5. 再一刻就5点了。A quarter to 5. 这个时钟是11点1刻。A quarter past 11. 还有一刻就到5点。A quarter to 5。一定要搞清楚 a quarter past 和 a quarter to。A quarter past 就是分针指着3， a quarter to 就是分针指着9。Alright, let's do some exercise. Can you tell me what time is it? Yes, it's a quarter past 2. Can you read after me? 请跟着老师念。It's a quarter past 2. Alright, when it's a quarter past 2, you will get a digital clock that's showing 2:15. 那 a quarter past 2是2:01，所以电子表我们会有2:15。Next, can you tell me what time is it? It's 9:15 or it's a quarter past 9. Can you read after me? It's a quarter past 9. Very good. Look at both of these clocks. Now look at the longer hand. It's pointing to 9. You have 6:45 here. Can you tell me what time is it? It's a quarter to 7. Can you say with me? It's a quarter to 7. 记得6:45就快要到7点了，还有1刻就到7点，所以英语呢，我们说 a quarter to 7. Alright? Next, can you tell me what time is it? It's about 12 o'clock. It's 11:45. 我们知道这是11:45，还有1刻就要到12点了。So, it's a quarter to 12. Can you say with me? It's a quarter to 12. Alright, remember, when you look at the clock, if the longer hand is pointing to 12, that means it is o'clock. 如果分针指着12，那就是 o'clock. If the longer hand is pointing to 6, it is half past. 如果分针指着6，那就是 half past. If it is pointing to 3, it is a quarter past. 指着3:15的话，就是 a quarter past. And lastly, if the longer hand is pointing to 9, it is a quarter to. 最后，要是分针是指着9的话呢，我们用 a quarter to. Alright, children, I hope you remember what we have learned today. Please complete all the exercises given. And that's all for today. Thank you and bye.